How to transfer Signal chats to new phone. Now in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how to transfer all your conversations or notification chats, phone calls, contacts, and so on and so forth to another phone. It's very simple. So the very first thing that you want to have to do before transferring it is make sure that onto the old phone, make sure that your Signal private chat messenger is updated to its latest version. So once you have fully opened up the application from the old phone, once you logged in at the lower right, you should be able to see backup file or backup conversations. Once you've done that, you're gonna need to download the application onto the new phone. Once you successfully downloaded it, at the very first instance in opening up the app, you should see two options here, to continue or restore transfer. You can go ahead and choose on restore, and then from here, you can choose if you have your old phone with you or you don't have your old phone. If you choose, I have my old phone here, you will be given out a specific QR code that you can scan from your old phone into your new phone, and it will automatically be transferred right away. However, if you don't have your old phone, then you're gonna have to log in to the same account. Now here, just choose on restore on device back, and once you've done that, you'll be receiving or you'll have to input your account phone number so that you'll receive an OTP to do a verification identity first. And then once you've fully completed that, all your chats will be restored. And that is it. That is how you transfer Signal chats to new phone.